Hello, everybody. I'm Shantini, mother of a young daughter and a dog, and I turn up to be a relationship coach from a teacher. Yes, I teach in a school, and along with that, I have taken my life in a different tune that I want to be a relationship coach. Yes, I was working on this path, and to work on it, I got a very good solution for myself, and that is to be a internet mogul. Yes, I have taken that challenge. And how all this possible? You want to know? Then stay tuned till the end of this video so that I can share my journey with you. Who I am? I am Shantini, mother of a young daughter and a dog. Together, we have a fun-filled, fantastic life. And I always want the people around me should have this kind of fun-filled, fantastic life for themselves. Few years back, when I start my journey, I was all alone, and it was very difficult for me to understand how I will start my journey. I was doing few things and always worried and tensed and stressed. But I was not aware that what exactly I should do to give a relief to myself. Then there comes the pandemic and things changed like this. This is my classroom, which is right now empty, and my life also was become something like that. Then I started thinking that what should I do to change it? I want to reach out to the people, and then I started my fresh journey towards my niche. Yes, I want to help the people who were suffering in their relationship. I was doing several courses, and while doing these courses, I get a chance to attend the webinar by the Avi Arya sir, and I joined it, and then I started that Internet Moguls School, and that is again a turning point of my life. I changed everything from there. You know, my dear friends, I always believe that if there is a story between two people, that connects them much better. So my story is something which many of you are facing right now. But make it sure that you can overcome any kind of problem, whatever you have in your life. Don't be upset with it. Try to find the solution. And for that, if you need any help, I am always there for you.
आप लोगों को ये खाली पार्क दिख रहा है, चारों तरफ की सन्नाटा, चारों तरफ की शांति। लेकिन क्या ये हमेशा से ऐसा था? नहीं ना, हमेशा से ऐसा नहीं था और होना भी नहीं चाहिए। हम में से कोई भी इस तरह की ज़िंदगी को नहीं चाहते। बट यू नो वन थिंग माय फ्रेंड्स, ये पेंडेमिक का जो समय था उसने हम सबको बहुत कुछ सिखाया है। हम सब ने बहुत कुछ सीखा है, मैंने भी सीखा है। ये मास्क पहनना, सैनिटाइज़र, कुछ नए शब्द, आइसोलेशन, ये सारे नए शब्द हम लोगों ने सीखे। और इसके साथ साथ हम सबकी ज़िंदगी में भी बहुत तरह की चेंजेस हुए, एंड दोज आर पॉजिटिव चेंजेस। अगर आप गौर से देखें तो हम सब बहुत चिड़चिड़े लग रहे थे, सबको लग रहा था कैसे करेंगे, क्या करेंगे, लेकिन somehow we all adapted the things and हम सब ने सीखा कि लाइफ को कैसे फिर से ठीक से जिया जा सकता है। Now it's a time to confess कि मैंने क्या क्या सीखा और कैसे मैं अपनी लाइफ को बदल पाई। बहुत कुछ बदला, बहुत कुछ। मैंने वीडियो बनाना सीखा, लोगों से बातें करनी सीखी। I learned how to get the client, how to sell, everything. बट इतना सब कुछ सीखने के बाद भी कुछ ऐसा हुआ कि मैंने अपने जो मिशंस रखे थे वो मैं पूरा नहीं कर पाई। क्यों नहीं कर पाई? उसका कारण ये था मैं खुद, कि मैंने वो स्टेप्स नहीं लिए जो मुझे लेने चाहिए थे. Now what I am carrying forward to this न्यू लाइफ ऑफ माइन, मैंने ये सीखा है कि हारना मेरे लिए नहीं है, हम में से किसी के लिए नहीं है. सो लर्न एंड डू समथिंग विच विल हेल्प यू टू अचीव योर गोल. हारना नहीं है. मैंने ये भी सीखा है कि वॉट एवर इट टेक्स, आज नहीं हुआ तो कभी नहीं होगा ऐसा नहीं है. आज नहीं हुआ तो कल ज़रूर होगा, और वो समय आएगा when you will be a achiever of your life. तो ये सब सोचते सोचते मैंने तो अपना पूरा प्लान कर लिया. I started creating my planner. I started making my diary. I started writing my journals. और ये सब मुझे कॉन्फिडेंस देते हैं कि I am going to be a winner in 2022. This is my last video before I make a 1 crore for myself. This is the theme of this video. So, what are you waiting for? अगर आपको भी लगता है कि आपकी ज़िंदगी में कुछ ऐसा है जिसे आपको चेंज करना है और आप उस पर काम नहीं कर पा रहे हैं, तो कनेक्ट विथ मी. गो टू माई डिस्क्रिप्शन. वहाँ मेरे सारे कॉन्टैक्ट्स करने के लिंक्स दिए हुए हैं. व्हाट्सएप, इंस्टा, यूट्यूब, everything is there. Connect with me. I will be helping you. And do join my upcoming webinars. अगर आप मेरे साथ कनेक्टेड रहेंगे तो आपको पता चलेगा. And there I will teach you how you can take a small step for yourself and achieve your goals. So what were you waiting? Please do take your action and do connect with me. Join with me. The links are there in the description for my WhatsApp, for my Insta handle and LinkedIn profile, everywhere where I am available to help you out. So reach out to me, call me. I'm there to help you out to find a new beginning for you. Let's start our 2022